फर्स्ट क्रश, फर्स्ट रिलेशनशिप, पहली बार प्यार कब हुआ था और कहाँ कैसे?
आई थिंक मुझे लगता है बहुत सारे लोग रिलेट करेंगे. पहला प्यार तो शायद टीचर से ही होता है ना.
ये सबको टीचर से क्यों प्यार हो रहा है कंगना?
बिकॉज जब आप जवान होते हैं, क्लासरूम में अचानक से होते हैं, तो आपका जो दिल है वो सामने टीचर ही होते हैं, उनके लिए धड़कता है. बिकॉज आपकी क्लास में जो बच्चे होते हैं, लड़के खासकर, एंड आई थिंक बाय 15 और 16, 14-15 की एज में लड़कियां बड़ी हो जाती हैं, तो उस टाइम पे तो लड़के बेचारे, उनकी मूछें भी नहीं निकली होती हैं, तो सो फिर टीचर ही सामने होते हैं, उन्हीं पे दिल आ जाता है.
So when did this happen? How old were you? And did you confess your love to the teacher?
Oh no.
No. When did this happen? How old were you?
I think I was in 9th standard.
Okay.
And I just had a crush on my teacher. And उस टाइम पे वो गाना निकला था, चांद छुपा बादल में, शर्मा के. So I also bought a net का दुपट्टा, and I used to be kind of hallucinating my teacher giving lectures and all of that, and listening to the song. I think I've only gone, मतलब एक कार्ड पे लिख के ना हैप्पी टीचर्स डे ऐसा करके कुछ दिया होगा, but nothing more than that.
And first relationship, कैसे हुआ? How old were you then?
I think 17 or 18. I was in Chandigarh and there was so मैं अपने पीजी में रह रही थी अपनी फ्रेंड्स के साथ में, और मेरी फ्रेंड की डेट थी. So उसके साथ में जो फ्रेंड उसका जो दोस्त आया था,
चांस पे डांस.
And I think he was 28 or something, and I was 17 or 18. But very cute Punjabi guy, and very cute, very good looking guy.
Okay, and like heartbreak, because heartbreak is something that everybody has to deal with, some repeatedly. How did you deal with heartbreaks? And as a lover in a relationship, how are you? Intense, passionate,
Well,
or obsessive?
Heartbreak तो मेरा उसी टाइम शुरू हो गया था, because he was much old. He was 28 and I was, I think, 16 or 17, and he looked at me and he was a decent guy, and he's like, "You're a kid." And we dated, and then he figured that she's too new in the game and she doesn't know much. So he kind of, जैसे कहते हैं कि तुम्हारे लिए बहुत टाइम है, तुम बहुत छोटी हो, and things like that. And then I was heartbroken, क्योंकि I think I am I don't want to encourage it in any negative way, but I personally feel I'm an obsessive lover.
Okay.
I get obsessed. So then I used to message him, "Give me a chance, I will grow up." I could not kiss him, so I used to practice kissing on my palm or things like that, because I was so young. So I used to tell him, "Ke I will grow up, give me a chance," but he was bichara a very decent person. He's like, "This kiddo is after me." So yeah, it was a very heartbreaking and also nice experience.
And do you remember your first kiss? Where, when? Or people say you can't forget your first kiss ever. It's magical.
No, mine was not magical.
What happened?
It was the most messy thing. और मेरा तो ऐसे मतलब मुंह ही freeze हो गया एकदम से. ऐसे लड़का कहता है, हिलाओ मुंह को, हिलाओ.